Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to show you guys how to install the Tesla air filter. So usually, if it's about a year, 13,000 miles, that's when I change it. You know what I mean? And also, this this item is sent over from one of the sponsors of the channel. The company name is the DEDC. So we're gonna just actually unbox it and take a look at the filter itself and see what it comes with. And I'm gonna do the installations and I'm walk you guys through it. So if that's something you're interested, and then that's what we're gonna be doing, right? So it comes in a box, as you know, Tesla. It does come with two air filter, one right here. So we're actually gonna open it. So it comes really nice. It's in a plastic bag itself, and the company here has been in the business since 2013, so about 11 years. So, and it has its names, and it has activated carbon facing the seat, so it should be going like this way. But I'm gonna show you how to install it. Right, so that's one filter, and it does have two of them. So we'll open them here. So it's pretty, it's rigid. It's like, seems like well made. Right, so another one, two of them, and inside you get a little like air freshener holder, I think. Yep, air freshener right there, holder, and a couple double-sided tape, and we also get the trim removal tool, which is good. So for us, and also we have the little thing right here. I think that's 6mm, I think, or a hex or a this is a Torx 20. So right now we're gonna get started with going to the Tesla and take a look to see how easy or how hard is it. So if I can do it, see if you guys can do it. Okay, we're actually gonna do it together. This is my first time doing it as well. All right, guys, so basically right now we're just gonna remove the last fit floor mats. This is fitting perfectly snugly, so we're gonna remove it so we can get to the panels inside. I'll leave it over here. And then, as you can see right here, this is the sidekick. This is from Last Fit as well too. So this one we can just remove it, take it off. It just if we can. All right, we'll just leave it over there. This one. All right, so now we're gonna remove this. That's a clip down there. There you go. They're just hanging by the clip, so remove it. Okay. There. And I believe it's up here. So I need to take this out. One.
All right, and just unclip the lights here to get it out. And then the speakers. All right, so it's take for the speakers, it's right here, and for the lights right here, just squeeze it, remove it. All right. Oh. You know what? Tesla made it really easy for 2023. There's no screws that needs to be inserted. You know, because I think that older model they had the screw up here where you loosen it, but this one, no, nothing. Right? So, and all you gotta do, you pull it out, pull it straight out. To be honest, it doesn't look dirty at all. It looks pretty clean for 13,000 miles. Okay, so I'm gonna bring over the one that we're supposed to be changing to see it. So here is the size comparisons. Is it the same size? Looks like the Tesla one is a little bit bigger than ours, but yeah, we'll see. We're gonna take it out, both of them, and we'll see if we can put them in. There you go. So here, so it tells you this one go this way, so we put this in. All right, it's in. One is in, and let's do another one. Yeah, it's in perfectly. It's in. And just like that, just clip it back in like that. Done. Nice and easy. So, and then now the reverse part, it just doing reverse. just like that, and it's in. It's easier than I thought. You know what I mean? And now we just put these in the reverse. As you can see, I just finished doing everything. And I was just gonna show you a little bit here. There's a couple clips on the bottom here. Once you look under, you will see it's for 2003 Model Y. You get 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Just 4 clips. You just loosen the center one, you pull it down. And over here it's quite easy. There's no screws at all. I guess at the with the older models they do have it, but with this one, there's no screws. Until I remove it, put it back. It's very straightforward. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care. Until next time, be safe.